A bit of fragrance always clings to the hand that gives you roses. A broken hand works, but not a broken heart. A man shows his character by what he laughs at. An empty sack cannot stand up. Better to ask twice than to lose your way once. Desire beautifies what is ugly. Don't look for applause until you have a cause. Fortune doesn't change men, it only unmasks them. God often visits us, but most of the time we are not at home. He loses all who loses the right moment. He who gives to me also treats me to give. He who wants a rose must respect the thorn. If the obstacle is below you, jump over. If it is above you, crawl under it. If there is no wind, row your boat hard. If you measure man by his looks, try measure the sea with a bucket. In escaping a tiger, don't meet a crocodile. In any contest between power and patience, bet on patience. It will win ultimately. It is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. It is the deed that matters, not the fame. Much does he gain who learns whenever he loses. Only a fool tests the depth of the water with both feet. The eyes believe themselves, the ears believe other people. The bigger man's head has worst headaches. Pinch yourself and know how others feel. The hammer shatters the glass but forgets the steel.